Respected principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Ajay Suhas Wadekar. I am from TYBSCHS from Dr. Arvind B. Telang Institute of Hotel Management, Sambhaji Nagar, Chinchwad. Today I will be speaking upon post-COVID-19 major changes in the standard of procedure in hotels. I want to thank our principal Dr. Ajay Kumar Rai sir, Professor Ranjit Patil sir and our Professor Shekhar Khernar sir for giving me an opportunity to participate in this event. So as we all know that the COVID-19 has affected across every sector in the globe and the hotel industry is among the hardest hit. Researchers say that the hotel industry will be back on track till 2023 or 2024 or until the vaccine arrives. Till then the hotel industry will see a substantial amount of shifts and changes in its standard of procedures. So now we will look forward towards the changes in the reservation lobby. The reservation lobby must check that a guest, whether he or she is making a reservation to stay in the hotel, is belonging from a containment zone or not. If he or she belongs to a containment zone, then the reservation lobby must avoid the booking and reservation of that guest. It may also look forward towards any suspicious guest who has signs of COVID-19, and if they find any signs of COVID-19 in the guest, in the staying guest or in the oncoming guest, the reservation lobby must contact nearest municipal hospital immediately as soon as possible.
Please follow me. Once you arrive, your footwear is sanitized. Hands are disinfected using the sanitizer provided and temperature is checked. Your luggage also goes through a disinfection routine. Floor markers are used to ensure social distance is maintained while checking in. Sanitized pens are used for paperwork. We have extra masks and gloves available if you wish to use them. Thank you. Your key is sanitized before being handed out to you. We are doing everything possible to ensure you have a safe and healthy stay with us.
When a guest is arriving in the hotel, the specific vehicle of the guest is parked in the sanitization booth, where the full vehicle of the guest is sanitized with sodium hypochlorite and other types of medical grade sanitizers. The guest is then escorted toward a specific checking point where the checking of temperature of guest is initiated and any signs of COVID-19 is checked. Then the guest is escorted towards the front office where he will do the further proceedings. So now at the front office, the guest is sanitized again and he is provided with the sanitation kit. The bellboy sanitizes the luggage of the guest and escorts the luggage to the room. The hotel initiates e-check-in for guests where there is the transfer of cash digitally. The information of the guest is stored in the computer database by digital means and not in the registers. And after that, the front office staff escorts the guest to his room. After the guest is escorted to his room, the hotel staff will sanitize and clean all the areas where the guests have been with sodium hypochlorite and all medical grade sanitizers. While greeting the guest, avoid handshakes and do namaste. Then the entry points of the guest in which the guest has been through should be disinfected every now and then. The front office staff should mandatorily wear masks and should take care of themselves and sanitize their hands regularly at regular intervals. Now we look forward toward the changes in the SOP of restaurant as well as F&B area. The table linens are changed frequently. The interaction with the guest is made from a 1 meter distance. Order placed are by digital means by scanning the QR code rather than placing it manually by menu cards. The crockeries as well as the cutleries are sanitized and washed every often. Bulk reservations and group reservations are banned. Menu cards are banned. Room service is suggested for every guest, and then the table area as well as cover area after every service is sanitized. So now we look towards the changes in the SOP of the housekeeping department. The guest room in which the guest which is stayed is sanitized and cleaned after every departure. The remote controls, electronic accessories, TVs, dryers, irons are sanitized by the housekeeping team after the departure. The floors as well as toilets are also sanitized with medical grade sanitizers after the departure of the guest. Any suspicious guest is reported to the front office. If needed, the housekeeping department staff is provided with the PPE kits. Is changed at regular intervals and is washed thoroughly. There is a gap of minimum 72 hours after every departure. Then the room is perfectly sanitized and allotted to the other guests. Different type of cleaners are used for different type of cleaning purposes in the room. Sanitizers, medical grade soaps and medical grade liquids are placed in every room. Carpets, mattresses are also cleaned and washed as well as sanitized every often. Single bed sheet, double bed sheet, pillow covers, duvet covers is also washed and sanitized every often. Bath towels, hand towels, bath mats, swimming towels, etc. are sanitized and cleaned every now and then. Now we shall see the SOP changes which are made in the kitchen department. Fruits, vegetables, chicken, mutton and other cooking stuff which is brought into the kitchen is washed and sanitized properly. Utensils, equipments and other stuffs which are used in the daily kitchen activity are also washed and their surfaces are disinfected. The kitchen is also provided with a sanitation kit for all employees. Sanitizer concentration is verified for all meals. Cooking ranges are cleaned and disinfected thoroughly. While dishwashing, use of clothes is made mandatory. Food waste is stored in insect and rodent proof containers. These changes may not completely eliminate the risk of transmission of COVID-19, but will eventually help the hotel to keep the virus at its bay. I, Ajay Suhas Wadekar, now end my speech here. I want to thank you all for listening to me. Please take care, be safe.